In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel transfer ownership Google Drive. Before we jump into the how-to, there's one crucial rule you need to know. You can only cancel a transfer of ownership if the other person hasn't accepted it yet. The moment they accept, the change is permanent and you can't undo it yourself. That means timing matters, so if you change your mind, act quickly. Here's how to cancel the transfer while it's still pending. First, open Google Drive. Then open the specific file you sent the transfer for. This could be a Google Doc, Sheet, Slide, or another Drive file that supports ownership changes. In the document or file, click the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing panel, find the person you originally sent ownership to. Next to their name, open the drop-down menu and choose Cancel Ownership Transfer. As soon as you click that, the request is withdrawn immediately and you remain the owner with no further action needed. If you don't see the Cancel Ownership Transfer option, there are two likely reasons. Either the person has already accepted the transfer or you're not the current owner of that file. In both of those cases, you won't be able to cancel from your side. If the transfer has already been accepted, there isn't a direct undo button. Your realistic choices are to ask the new owner to transfer ownership back to you using the same share menu on their end, or make a copy of the file, which you will own. Keep in mind that a copy may not include everything from the original, such as version history and some types of comments, so it's a fallback rather than a true reversal. A quick tip to remember: after you send a transfer request, you are still the owner until the other person accepts. That gives you a short window to change your mind. If you realize you need to keep control, open the file right away, go back to the Share menu, and cancel the transfer before they accept. That's the complete process. To recap the essentials, you can cancel only before acceptance, you can't reverse it after acceptance, and the Share menu is where you manage everything. Follow these steps promptly, and you'll be able to stop an unwanted transfer in seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your files exactly where they need to be.